When you're ready to save photos, click the Save button at the top of the screen. You'll find several options for saving your photos and projects. Save images to your computer in JPEG or PNG format. You can also save images to your BeFunky account, Google Drive, Dropbox, and share instantly to social media channels like Twitter, Pinterest, and Facebook. And with the Save As Project option, you can save your photos in editable format, so you can open them at a later date and pick up right where you left off. Just give your project a name, choose the computer option to save the project to your computer as a .bfd file, or choose the BeFunky option to store your project within BeFunky for streamlined access, and click Save. When you're ready to continue working on your project, use the Open tab to reload it. Just locate your .bfd file if you chose the computer option, or open any projects you've stored in BeFunky in the Project Manager. Either way, you can always pick up right where you left off in the photo editing process.